Hi, Omar.
Hi.
Are you ready to do a toy review today?
Yeah.
You are?
What is this?
What is that? It looks like today we're going to be doing an Octonauts
picture.
toy review.
Look, a picture.
See Slimed Octopod Playset. Who came with it? Captain, what's his name? What's his name?
What is that?
No, what's his name?
Captain Barnacles. He has green thingy.
He has a green,
He got messed up.
but what's the green thing? Is that like his, to go swimming and to go into the water?
Yeah.
His little outfit.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, wait, hold on. Are you gonna lift it up and show it to us?
Okay. I can hold it.
You can move it out of the way. I'll help you. So there's the octopod. We included a couple of other toys that we had in our collection. Okay, so this is the octopod. Wow, look at this. Where's Quasi? Quasi.
Orange.
Oh, who's this? Shellington.
He's orange.
We want to push the button so people can see what noise it makes.
Yeah.
Push the little button right there.
This one? What is this?
Push it.
What is that?
Oh!
Okay. Do it.
Yeah, push it. Whoa!
Oh.
Wow, and who's over here? Who's inside?
Dashi. And then?
Actually, no, I don't. Is he inside? Oh,
Is he-
take her out.
No, he's in the car.
She's inside. But who's this?
Peso.
And who's that?
He's green.
We have another, what's his name?
Octonaut.
Captain.
Captain, he's green. What happened?
And then there's Dashi, which we can stand
He's
right
green. He's green. Look at him.
there. Yeah. You want to show us who's on this side?
Yeah, he could fall in the lake.
He fell. Oh
Oh no. He went down.
no! Another Captain Barnacles.
He fell.
He fell.
Oh no. He could fall away.
Is that a little door? Is that where they come out from? Yep.
Yeah.
Who's over here on this side?
Oh no. He need to go with you.
What is it?
Look. Sound the Octonaut.
Sound the Octonaut!
Is there?
Covered in
Open the door! Open the door! Happy.
Is he happy?
Yeah.
He wants you to help him.
Yeah. I couldn't help. Ah. He fell. He fell in the lake. Oh no! What happened to it? Look. There's go in there.
Oh, look at that.
How's it go in there? Quasi go in there.
That's Quasi's room.
Yeah, and he go
Let's
in
see.
there. He's in there. He go in there.
Oh yeah, that's Quasi's room.
He go in there. He go to ground. He go right there.
Oh. What's over here?
I know.
Who is this?
Oh, Dashi.
No, that's not Dashi. Who is this?
Jensen.
And who's this?
Oh no.
Peso. And then there's Twig inside this one. Does this one make sounds? Oh, it does. Makes little noises. Swimming.
jumping jellyfish.
What is that?
Use the Gup-E's camera to get
Oh,
a close-up
Gup-E.
view.
Seaweed.
Has seaweed on it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's seaweed all over the Gup-E.
What is up there? Look.
Oh, that's like a radar to know what's going on in the sea. He picks up on signals.
Shellington, keep a lookout for creatures in trouble. A storm is approaching the kelp forest.
Jumping jellyfish.
Are you an injured sea creature?
How he gave me a bit? Oh, open that.
You're gonna open it? Okay.
You do it. I can't.
Why? Is it hard? I think you can. Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I'll help you. Captain Barnacles. Oh no! Look.
He lost a little tool.
Oh.
Oh no, Quasi's not in there. Now it's Captain Barnacles.
He's saved. He's saved. Okay.
He's gonna save the day.
What? Mom. Look.
What is it? His legs are. You have to stand him up straight. There you go. See, that's easy.
Show me the word.
Which word?
This one. Is it this one?
What is the name of that toy?
That one.
You know, we need to look it up, but I know it's Quasi's.
Ah!
I know it belongs to him, and that's what he uses, I think, in the cartoon. Who is that?
Dashy.
That's not Dashy.
No, Dash.
Let's see.
A bunny. He's in a bunny.
Isn't that Twig?
Twig.
Twig to the rescue.
Look, these.
What's what?
On the desk.
It's where?
Right there.
Oh, that's how the machine moves. It's the little wheel. Oh, is she gonna help?
Yeah. On the bone. How to go round? Maybe it's to go
It
round.
needs to go around.
It's really weird. Now the eyes.
Yeah, the eyes of the octopod.
Now the legs. Ah!
Is she fixing it?
Oh no! Stinks! Stinks, Quasi. He's upside down.
Yup.
He's upside down. How he get fixed?
You have to help her. Who's in there? It's Twig, isn't it?
Yeah, he's upside down.
Oh, she's silly. Help her. She needs a little help.
Ah! Look, Twig, he's
She?
this. And then, oh no.
Who's gonna help the octopod? Yay, the octopod is standing again.
Look at that picture.
What is she looking at? The control panel full of slime. Oh no.
Look at that picture. That's chickens. Chickens.
Oh, that's his area where he works. It's also full of slime. And then up here, there's more slime. What a mess.
Scan all the place. Oh no, dirty. Wanna watch the Octonaut?
You want to watch the Octonauts? Well, let's keep playing with this cool toy. Do you like it?
Oh, Julius, where are you?
For all the parents out there, it didn't take very long to assemble. Probably took me less than 10 minutes to put together. And I did have to put all these little stickers on here, which I thought was going to be difficult, but it was quite easy. It wasn't that hard. Oh no! It's falling apart. The good thing that it's easy to put back together. Should I put it back together?
No, the wake. Oh no! Wow!
Or not?
Oh,
Is everybody going to be safe now?
yeah.
They're going to be with the octopod in their new home. Did you like this toy, Omar?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
You like the Octonauts?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, Omar, time to go. Was that a fun toy?
Yeah.
Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.